Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for this particular WeChat theme right here. In some cases, if your WeChat theme was not found from the top right here, as a result of that, you have created an account for a very long time and you have chatted a lot of people, you have done a lot of transactions on your WeChat, you may not find it from the top right here. So what you need to do is to scroll, continue to scroll, or simply contact section chat right here. So simply click on WeChat theme right here. So once you click on WeChat theme, you see the time that you create your WeChat account. So you can see right here, welcome back. Feel free to tell me if you have any problem or suggestion for WeChat. So this account here was created in August 13, 2023. So you have your WeChat creation date right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.